I got you, fam.
Okay, in Milwaukee, let's talk about food. Back in Milwaukee, I should say. Just finished a workout. Yep. Looking crazy. Got some water. This, I literally put like protein powder, a scoop of protein powder in there. I have like creatine in here. I have oats as well for the morning, already pre-sectioned. I have cooking spray, so olive oil, seasoning, as you can see right there, seasoning. I also brought food with me. I cooked this ahead of time. This is 1 cup of squash and zucchini. I have some white rice in here, about 1 cup. And I have some ground beef, about 20 grams of protein with the beef. Lean beef, I should say, 96% lean. Have some rice cakes. I also have measuring cups. Have forks. Just coming prepared. You just gotta come prepared, man. You know, and literally, last but not least, yo, I'm not playing with these people. Yes, I'm in a hotel room with this. Get at me. I'm about to boil some water. Just finished a workout, so I'm about to get some fast carbs in. It helps your muscle, replenish your muscle, because your body is ready to take on that sugar, and hopefully with your GLUT4 and all the other receptors being nice and ready to take in some nutrients into your muscle. So water, about to boil this and literally make some cream of rice. So some of the things to do to plan ahead. What I didn't show was the fridge. This is what I brought with me. So literally Amazon it if you need to. Packs really well. This is just rice that you can just have, you know. We don't have a microwave, so you can cook it on the stove or use a microwave. Hotels like these don't have that. This is veggies in here, literally the same veggies you saw in there. And then brought this with me. Bought this in a regular old store. Chicken. So you can make it work. Plan things. Save that money. And keep up with your goals. So that's basically what I got for you with my little setup here. I'll catch y'all. Oh, last but not least, please, bruh, don't sleep on this. This is so good. There is some sugar in there, so beware. But have a tablespoon, and you can see carbs, protein, fat, and then look at the ingredients. Only 3 ingredients. Keep that in mind, and you just do a moderation. I have about 2 tablespoons per day. So you can put that on, you know, a couple of these, and, you know, good snack. Good snack. Okay, peace out. So this is what I showed you. This is cream of rice that I was boiling the water. This is it right here. And to show you what I'm going to put in there, creatine, because I have this 1 scoop. It's already pre-sectioned out. And literally a maple meeting protein. The type of protein I brought 2 different types of vegan protein with me. The company's called InnoSups. So I have a little over a scoop of it to make it about 28 grams of protein. I'm gonna drop it in there, which already has stevia in there, so it will already sweeten it. So cream of rice is literally rice. So obviously it is what it is, but I'm using it as a quick carb. With a quick carb, simple sugars, after you work out, it's actually beneficial because your body's so receptive to take on sugar. So you can eat something and literally you're not thinking about it sitting. You know, it's really trying to go straight to your muscles with your GLUT4 receptors and all that good stuff without getting too scientific. So I'm gonna let this cool down. Obviously add more water if I need to make it how thick or not so thick. Add my ingredients like I said. And literally, this is my post-workout meal, believe it or not.